beautiful person watching this video.
You won't smoke, then you know I'm coming with it. What's in your pockets? Run them bitches. I'm popping shit, bet Hunter is it. I track hoes like Honda Civic. Yeah, I got a bunch of bitches. I feel like Uncle Willie.
My name is Asia. If you didn't know, now you know, so let's get into the video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing something long overdue, which is showing you guys how I do my headscarves, my head wraps, my turbans. This video was requested a long time ago, but I never made it, and I was about to do my headscarf, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and show y'all how to do it. I love wearing these headscarves just because you can have your hair any kind of way under here. I have plaits, I'm gonna show y'all in a second, but you can deep condition your hair and put it in a head wrap. You can, you know, it's just a lazy, like, quick throw on sort of thing, and it still looks nice. So I'm not like other girls. Okay, so the first thing that you need is a scarf. You can also use a t-shirt, but I like to use my scarves. I always go with this gray scarf just because this just, I feel like it matches a lot of things. And so I'm just gonna show y'all the thickness of it. If I could like show y'all, this is the width, this is how like wide it is, and it is pretty long. So yeah, so basically the first thing that you want to do is to put the headscarf like this, like you're just gonna put it on your head, and then you want the two ends to kind of be even. So then you're just going to cross, like you're gonna bring it over. Okay, so you just bring them over and then you tie it. So I reach my hand in there and then I tie it like so, and then I get this. This is step one, tie it. Now from here you can do a lot of different things. You can twist it, so I'm gonna show y'all that, like you can twist it all the way down. And usually when I twist it, I bring it through this little loop here just to make sure that it's like really taut and tight. And then you just go like this, and then you bring it over and just wrap it around in a little donut. And then you just tuck. You don't really need any pins or anything like that. You just need a tuck. Okay, so that's the first way. You can do it like that. What I do is I just twist, and then I just go like that, make it really taut, and then I just bring it around town. Bring it around town.
Bring it around town. Bring it around town.
And then, as you see, I just keep twisting. So that's how I do my turbans. You can take your ears out, you can keep your ears in. So yeah, that's pretty much how I tie my turban. I know that this video was super short, but it's really easy to do. So I hope I made it clear. If I didn't, I'm sorry. I suck and I shouldn't be a YouTuber. Yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. If you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and comment daisies. I'm switching it up. Instead of doing fruits, I'm doing flowers because I'm running out of fruits, y'all. So go ahead and comment daisies if you made it to the end of this video. Don't forget to go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.